Hey guys, AI Wizard here. I was using Claude AI and MCP to do my work today, and I realized something. Claude AI does not know what's the current time. Don't you hate when this happens? So, for example, here I'm asking what's the time in New York right now, and it just tells me approximate mid-afternoon, but it tells me that it does not know the current time. So I think today we are going to set up MCP connection to a certain time utility that will let Claude know what is the current time to also assist it with the time conversions. So let's just begin. Oh, and yes, I was specifically working with some Excel sheets, and that's when I realized that this is a problem. However, this might become a problem on using WhatsApp or any other MCP connections or guides that we had before. So now we're going to go to this guide. The link will be in the description of this video, and we're going to set this up as usual. So what are we going to do here? I hope you already guys have UV installed. We have that in our previous guides, so I'm not going to cover that. We're just going to set up this specific MCP server, which is called Time. So we're just going to copy this part. All right, so I'm pressing Command V, or we just copy it like this. We're going to Claude Desktop. We're going to click at the top here, go to Settings, go to Developer, Edit Configuration, and this will bring us to the file where we configure our MCP servers. So we're going to open it with any text editor. In my case, for Mac, we're going to use TextEdit. Once we do that, we are going to simply paste what we copied earlier here. So we need to put a comma after every single server that we put. So you can see here, I have 11 labs, I have Playwright, that's for the browser support, and this will be coming to the next video. So we're going to paste this here, and we have time now. And if we want to add a new server later, we just put a comma here. Basically, the first brackets of this section, all right? So we're going to save this file. I'm going to press File, Save, and I'm just going to close it. So now we need to relaunch Claude application. So I'm just going to open my app bar here, click on Claude, click on Quit, and this should relaunch the Claude for me. So I'm going to close this, and now we're going to launch the Claude again. So I'm going to press Command Space, Command Bar, type Claude, and this will show the application that I want to run. So I'm going to run it. All right, guys, I forget one thing. We need to set our current local time zone just to make sure that it knows what is our current time zone. So we need to scroll down a little bit, and we are going to copy this part. So we're just going to copy, and then we're going to go back to our text edit. So in our text edit here, we will need to paste what we copied earlier here. So now it will run this command with this time zone, and we have to specify our current time zone. So in my case, that would be Asia/Singapore. In your case, it might be something else. So just put your own time zone here. And I'm going to save this file. And I'm just going to relaunch Claude as I did before. So we're going to quit it first and then relaunch it again. So now Claude knows my exact time. And this is very helpful whenever you are using Claude with any sort of MCP tools where you kind of need to use the time. So for example, you are messaging someone on WhatsApp. You probably want to tell them about the upcoming meeting that you have. When Claude knows your time, that makes things easier, because whenever you trigger those MCP workflows, it will actually check your current time first before, for example, sending the WhatsApp message. And that's it.